In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use bay leaves for hair growth. Hey guys, welcome back to Gift Naturals and DIY, and thank you so much for coming back. On this channel, I talk about hair growth tips. I make DIYs for hair growth. Join me, let's grow our hair together. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll not miss any video. Guys, this is bay leaf. It's a herb and it's used as a spice in some dishes. This bay leaf boosts hair growth as it strengthens the root of your hair. It treats dandruff, it prevents hair damage and hair loss, and it gives a long shiny hair. Place 2 to 3 leaves into a pot and add some quantity of water. Then put it on fire and boil for like 20 minutes. When the smell of the leaf is too strong, you bring it down and allow it to cool. Then sieve out the water. And your hair growth spray is ready. If you look at the water, you will notice that the water is no longer colorless, that it has color inside. This is to show that the bay leaves has infused its nutrients into the water. So go ahead and put it into your spray bottle and then section your hair into different parts and apply the spray onto your hair. Massage your hair and cover for some time. You can use the spray as an overnight spray. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.